Alright, today they finally sent me my collector's edition of the Lightning Returns. Final Fantasy. It's the front of the box. Back of the box. PS3, I don't mess with that Xbox. I don't turn in circles. No 360. Got smart. Put this mother knife on me. Alright. Condoms gone. Pop this Molly. I'm sweating. Right, you know, they got the little Bible thing. The art book. See how big it is. I'll go with that slip covered stuff. I'm gonna rip it. That's pretty ballin', pretty balls, pretty balls, pretty balls. It's probably about, I think it's 80 pages of just random goodness. Alright, that's the book. About 80 pages. Got the game itself. Right. Back. It's gonna take 9.2 megabytes. What's my code for that Aries thing at though? And that pocket watch. I rip this thing. I don't want to do that, but I will. I will destroy you. See, it's always something. A little instruction manual to show you how to work it. Working on watch. Oh. Then I'm gonna open it. It's pretty heavy to be what it is. And it works. It's ticking. I would drop it on this table, but my mom would get upset. But yeah, man, that's it. It was 90 bucks. I don't know if it's shipped anywhere outside the US. But yeah, man. Or girl. Hit me up on that PlayStation. POTISSIMUM. I'll beat you in some stuff, and you know, I can help you get some trophies, whatever. I just got my 18th platinum. Feel pretty good about that. On the 25th, I'm going to pick up Tales of Symphonia Chronicles Collector's Edition. And on the 25th, I'll probably make a video about that one. And then after that, I think it's Final Fantasy X, 10-2's Collector's Edition. Then after that, it's it's Dragon Guard, then Watch Dogs. Then if I find some more stuff in between that, I might show you, I might not. Depends on if I got a cold or if I'm hungry. But until next time.